What's up, everybody? This is Joe from Support and Resistance Trading. I wanted to make my video quickly documenting my losing trade from today. On Friday, my day 5 of the challenge. We are down today 45 bucks on a Tesla trade. So I'm going to show you here what I was looking at. So 10:57 I got in, and at 10:18 I got out. I got filled at 4:59 on the call, and out at 4:50. So um, I was happy with the trade, but unhappy with the performance. And I got some answers in the chat room, but it still bothers me a little bit. So the whole market at about 10:50 was moving up. Here's Tesla. You can go to 450 on the SPY and see what the SPY was doing. All right, so look, 10:50, right? So what's the SPY doing? SPY's running. SPY's running at this point. So we were breaking out, and I was like, all right, good. Tesla's coming up to test VWAP. We broke through VWAP here. Look at this. Broke through VWAP on volume, right? Sold back down, which is good. You like to see. And at 10:50 right here, I got in, hoping to break out. So break out above this 220 whole number value and complete. So we got this massive volume bar, right? Boom. Tried to break out, couldn't break out. Next candle we sold. Okay, so we got a couple volumes of selling, which is fine. Came back down, holding above VWAP, bouncing off the 50, getting a little bit more volume increase as we approach the spike. Come back down and try to break again with a massive volume spike, and we just can't break through this 220. Even though the SPY is running, at this point we cannot break through. The volume is green, but the sellers just are holding this thing down. Broke through, and I got stopped out as we tapped the VWAP, and then we continued to break down through. So down $45. Tesla is not normally something I would trade, and I'm not very good on a Friday. Clearly, probably shouldn't have entered this in hindsight, but I was happy with the trade. I mean, look at this volume spike, and we, in terms of actual mounts, right? This is what, 65,000 on this candle compared to the previous candle of 22,000. So we were getting the volume. It just we weren't getting the push and the buyers. And it was crazy was on the level 2 and the time of sales on both. We were getting the buyers, and people were bidding this thing up. We were getting way more buyers on the calls, all right, and this was more than green. The level 2 was showing a higher number of people buying the calls. So I mean the active trader, sorry. So I was like, all right, we're good. This is going to break. And if it doesn't break at these points, it's going to break. Like at this retest when we confirmed that we were holding, I was like, all right, we're going to go. Like we're gonna go, and we just didn't go. So I took the loss, and ending the Friday red, ending the week red. We are down in the account now with wonderful commissions to 668.98, and next week is a new week. This one did hurt a little bit, on a small account. It does hurt, but next week hopefully we'll be green. And you all have a great weekend.